This function of Power 3 is how I teach the bias, and I also teach how to submit to the daily range. You have to learn how to hold to the close. Think about what I've taught you so far in this teaching for Power 3. The accumulation, manipulation, and distribution cycle of the daily range. If we are trading near the high end of that fair value gap on the daily chart, that's what that level is, okay? When we just drop down to a lower time frame chart. So with this 15-minute time frame chart, the idea is we're expecting this Power 3 formation where it's open, rally, create the high of the day, sell off, and close near the low. That's what we're looking for. Why would that bias be expected on this day? Because we worked the upper end of that fair value gap on the daily chart. Then we had multiple shifts in market structure bearishly when we already have a bearish bias on the daily chart anyway. So it gives you a high probability that this day is going to be a down close day. It may not close on the low. It might just be a big down move, and that's all you need. You just need movement. So this level here, it's dashed. That's the midnight New York opening price. This is what I'm referring to when I'm looking at the opening for Power 3 on a daily chart. That price right there at midnight. Look what's occurring. That right there is equivalent to this little tick on this diagram here. It opens, it trades above the opening, just like that candle does on a daily chart. It opens and goes higher. You want to be selling short here. Why would you want to go short here? Well, it went back up in there and redelivered the downstroke on that paintbrush or roller on the wall. Well, now it's going back up. We're looking at the opening price here, and then we're expecting a sell to form. Well, here's that fair value gap. It rallies up into that. Isn't that a sell above the opening price? Yep. From that opening price to that high, that's the highest high. Take that range and subtract it from the opening price. That's about in this vicinity here, okay? Right in there. So what's occurring? Well, we have this sell here, then we have this sell here at the equities opening, and then we have this imbalance in here. So from this range high to that low, multiply that by 2 as a projection. In other words, whatever that low is to that high, that much lower you'll expect to see a short, and it forms right here.